This is my future husband.
Yes, we are engaged.
Yeah.
We are in our apartment.
Looking forward.
Yay.
I don't know where we are.
We are near our apartment actually.
I have zero sense of direction.
Yep.
And this is how tall Jonathan is. He's always cut off from the screen. My word. How was it?
Sweet, but it's good. I like sweet wines.
We just had sparkling wine tasting. Yay!
I'm hungry.
Oh no, you're red. The chocolatier. Getting ice cream. A lot of food and everything sounds very, very nice. Hopper.
Hopper, hopper. Do you need to jump off this thing? Huh? If
Yeah.
I ask you to dangle your toes out, jump.
Yeah? This is my future husband.
Yes, we are engaged.
Yeah.
But then again, I knew it. It's just a formality.
He's damn annoying. He's damn annoying. Aksha said no.
Hey! Okay, I tell you some of my plans. Initially, I wanted to propose on the flight. You know why not? I said no.
Why?
School already said okay.
Then?
And then because the flight was, I forgot it was at 1 a.m. Then I was thinking, everybody will be wanting to sleep, so better not.
There you go!
It.
Oh, and yes,
Oh yeah!
2 big rings.
How is it? Nice?
Very, very
My turn.
I can see a rainbow. John is obsessed with birds, feeding the birds.
Yeah! I'm gonna be Birdman. Fight! Do you see the three words fighting? Yeah, it's quite interesting. I like these sort of museums.
Jonathan's playing Tomb Raider.
Hi!
We just went to an artist market.
Everything is so nice and so expensive. So now we are going to walk down this street and do some more shopping. Last dinner.
Yeah.